Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the Chargemap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And if you scroll down at the settings section, click on the notifications button. And in order to enable notifications, click on the white circle next to it. And once they turn green, the notifications are enabled. And if you look at the notifications section, you will see that there are two notification options that you can choose if you want to receive notifications on or not. So if you don't, then just click on the white circle, and if they turn green, that means that it's off. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.